Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want a CSV of your XC deposits. Here is the exact spot to find it. So if you use XC payments, you can download a report showing every deposit sent to your bank. I mean, it's pretty doable, we all know that. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to download XC payments deposits CSV in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So basically, all we're gonna do is try to access the shop manager. How? It's easy. Open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet to go and look for etsy.com. So this is their main website, we're gonna go and tap on it. Basically, you can either use the app or open the website itself, it doesn't really matter. As you see here, you can also use this app. It's totally fine, same steps, same basically platform. So for me, I'm just gonna go through etsy.com, open this new website or basically this new tab, log in using your email address and password, then look for this shop manager. Tap on shop manager, then go all the way to look for finances. Select payment account, then scroll to the deposit section. Click on download data. Then choose your date range. You should also select a CSV format, then click Generate CSV. Your deposits report will download once it's ready. As for like bonus tips, match this CSV with your bank statements for any accuracy. Download monthly for easier bookkeeping as well. You can also filter by deposit date, not order date, because it's just better. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.